Hi, I'm Matt and I run the GSP programme and Click and Collect programme at eBay in the UK. If you have any questions about what you hear today, feel free to use the live chat provided on the right-hand side and one of our eBay team members will get back to you. eBay has always sought to provide a frictionless offering for UK sellers to trade internationally online. With access to 190 markets and 187 million buyers shopping through the eBay platform across the world, cross-border has always been an integral element of how our sellers can achieve ongoing success. However, as we all know, this has been a tumultuous year for international trade, with a raft of new requirements and legislation complicating matters for buyers, sellers, and marketplaces in general. The shape of our key corridors has changed since the turn of the year. The impact of some of the changes we've witnessed in the last 12 months can be clearly seen in how our key overseas corridors have shifted in recent times. Additional complexity around selling into the EU has seen the US shoot to the top of our international league table. Ireland, France and Germany have dropped down the rankings, and Australia and Canada are becoming increasingly important lanes in terms of volume. Despite this, our top categories for export have remained relatively constant. As you can see, motors, clothing, shoes and accessories, as well as toys and hobbies, have continued to prove to be the best performing categories for UK sellers for CBT transactions. This suggests that there's an ongoing inventory gap in our key international lanes that these sellers are really helping to fill. So what has changed? Put simply, selling into the EU is now much less straightforward. The raft of changes in terms of VAT and duty that have become enshrined in law over the past 12 months have transformed the landscape of trade between the UK and the continent. Firstly, a departure from the EU on the 1st of January has seen exports to the continent become subject to import VAT at the destination EU country. Low-value consignment thresholds also applied until the 1st of July of this year, and that was with the €22 de minimis. And items over €150 have also required payment of import duties. Then, on 1st of July, a set of further changes were implemented. Net pricing meant that VAT-registered sellers must now provide the gross price of any item and the VAT rate used to calculate the gross price of that item. And collect and remit legislation meant that eBay now has to collect and remit VAT from shipments to the EU up to a value of €150 through the IOSS scheme. It would be fair to say that these changes have caused confusion and apprehension around trading cross-border. However, eBay's global shipping programme can turn this uncertainty into an opportunity for your international sales. First of all, GSP offers a streamlined seller experience with calculation of VAT and duty for all EU exports. Fully managed carriers in each market, including air freight, direct clearance in country with IOSS pass-through directly on your behalf, and no customs calculations, forms or paperwork for any item, regardless of value, into the EU. Without GSP, prospective international sellers must provide a gross price when listing an item, complete all necessary customs paperwork, and ship the item via an international service themselves, with the responsibility of calculating the end-to-end shipping costs. Put simply, GSP reduces shipping effort and risk. The programme presents fully landed costs payable at checkout to make international selling pain-free. No additional cost for buyers to pay after checking out. If you have pulled back from shipping internationally due to this increased complexity, why not test the water? Over the past 12 months, we have introduced a raft of enhancements to GSP to further support your business. First and foremost, category expansion. We've enabled additional categories, ensuring that we are maximising the amount of UK inventory able to be shipped through the programme. We have increased the price limit for the programme in several global markets from £2,000 to £5,000. We are in the process of rolling out this new functionality to all key global destinations. We know how important the ability to offer returns are for both buyers and sellers, and are looking at piloting a new return solution for GSP in the coming months. Hopefully, we will have an update on this exciting new development very soon. Also, Russian buyers. Russia's recently been enabled for the programme in the UK, meaning buyers in that market now have access to UK site inventory, where there certainly seems to be some pent-up demand. It's important to note, though, that GSP is not an all-or-nothing service. It can be complementary to your existing international services with the added benefit of selecting countries you may have never shipped to before or are uneasy around shipping to post-Brexit and the additional challenges that we discussed earlier. Essentially, GSP is full of benefits. It's available today for new and existing listings. It's a proven service provided free for existing sellers, making their items accessible to 104 countries. GSP sellers receive automatic 5-star rating protection for postage and packaging once their parcel arrives in the UK shipping centre. This reduces risk and handles parcel insurance once they arrive at the GSP hub. It's reassuring for buyers as well. Global buyers want choice. Essentially, you need to give them access to your UK inventory. With the further enhancements that we have coming up, there's never been a better time to get signed up. GSP is simple. Reach a global audience with one click. Simply opt in through the site preference page on the link below, where you can join the programme.